Back in the kitchen again with another one, guys. So it's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes, but I'm not cooking today. I'm talking about the book. All right, now the book is available. It is on Amazon, and I know you guys are interested in getting a copy of the book, but you can go to my website chefricardo.co.uk and click on the notification bell and get yourself a copy of the book. All right, now as I said, thank you every one of you guys who take the time to support Chef Ricardo. I really appreciate it. And yes, hopefully we can do better as we goes on in the future. But today I want to say a great thank you every one of you guys who buy a copy of the book, read it and leave their comments. I'm really appreciate it 100%. Have a beautiful evening. Stay blessed. And the book is an amazing book for you guys to read, and the book is for generation to generation to come. Love on all and bless upon yourself.